Okay, Owen.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try our cough assist over this ball to see if we can get nice big expansion in the back of your lungs there, okay?
Okay.
All right, go ahead, Elise. Please hit the button for me. So you can see the expansion right there.
That was a good one.
Yeah.
Big
breath in.
Big
There
breath,
you
Owen.
go.
Big breath.
There it is.
Mom!
Thank you, Logan. So
Oh, true.
that's a nice
Are you okay?
expansion in the back of the lungs there. A few more breaths, buddy.
Elise, watch this. It's like they walk.
Okay, you're done. How'd that feel?
Mom! Good.
Okay, now we're gonna try Logan. Go ahead, Elise, hit the button.
You made it.
Okay, big breaths, Logan. In.
Everybody
breaths in.
dance now.
I'm trying to see it there. He doesn't get as good of a suction, but you can see right there the big breath in. There you go.
Yes.
Yeah, with you holding it. Big breath in. Good job. There you go.
Yeah, I can see it now.
Owen, please don't.
Funny.
There we go.
Funny.
Okay. All right, buddy. That's good. That's enough. How'd it feel?
Good job, Logan.
Lolo, how'd it go?